Vector Custom Shop is a arrow company that builds arrows that are custom built to your specs. So they actually use Ethics Archery outsearch system to add more weight to these things for a higher FOC, which stands for front of center. I've been shooting them now for, I think since January. And I was shooting the Black Eagles before. I'm not even a gear junkie kind of guy. I think those that know me know that I don't really care about that stuff. But what I do care about is an ethical kill. So it's really great to see the penetration that I'm getting with these arrows. They are built to tighter tolerances. So it's a straighter arrow, tighter, more weight. It's a denser arrow. In fact, I guess I'll just read off their website so I don't mess it up. But because of their internal diameter of 0.0166 inches, it fits the micro diameter classification. However, the walls of the shaft are so thick, it'll feel like you're holding a standard 0.204 inch shaft. And they really do have a lot of weight to them. So as you can see here, when I was shooting this morning, the penetration really is a lot better. And you can see the Ethics outsearch system on these things. They fit really nicely. So if you haven't heard of Vector Custom Shop, you have to check these arrows out. They just pack a bigger punch, and it opens up the possibility for you to have it makes it so much more ethical when you're drawing back on a big game animal or even something small like a turkey. You're going to punch through that target, and it gives you more shot opportunities. So I'm a public land hunter. You only get so many shot opportunities at that animal. So whether it's quartering to or quartering away or whatever that looks like, you can have confidence that this arrow is going to punch through whatever it needs to get the job done and hit the earth.